All right, let's talk about classes and objects. They're basically the blueprints for your code. Let's dive in.
So picture this. You've got to build 100 identical houses. How would you even start?
You're not going to start from scratch every single time, right? Nah, you'd use a master blueprint.
And that blueprint idea? That's exactly what a class is in the world of programming.
Think of a class as the plan. It defines what something is supposed to look like and what it can do.
Here's the super simple one in Python. We just made a class with one property, x equals 5.
Okay, so if the class is the blueprint, then what do we call the actual house?
That's what we call an object. It's the real thing you actually create from that blueprint.
Now we can use our class to make an object. See? This one little line does it.
And once it's created, we can check out its properties, just like the blueprint laid out.
And boom, it prints 5, exactly what the blueprint said it would.
But here's the real magic: reusability. You can use that blueprint over and over again.
This applies everywhere. A car blueprint can make an object for a Volvo, an Audi, whatever.
So you can crank out as many objects as you want from that one single class.
And this is key. Each object is its own thing. Changing one doesn't mess with the others.
So why do programmers care so much about this? What's the big deal?
Well, it's all about keeping your code clean and organized. It makes it way easier to reuse and maintain.
This leads to a huge idea in coding called dry. Don't repeat yourself. Using classes means you write the code once and then you can reuse it forever. It's super efficient.
So, to wrap up, think about this. If you were to make a blueprint for a person, what would you put in it?